Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the exact target, a channel, message, or external URL. Make sure you have permissions to post or manage messages so links render. If you will link a specific message, enable developer mode and copy the message ID. This gives you a stable reference. Once done, decide whether to use Discord's Markdown style link, a channel mention, or a message jump link. Each behaves differently, so pick the one that fits your goal before composing. Now build the link itself. If you want a clickable external URL in an embed, use Markdown like label https://example. Inside the embed's description or field because plain chat won't render it. For channels, paste #channel ID to mention and link a channel by ID. For a specific message, assemble the message jump URL with server, channel, and message ID. This lets users jump straight to that message. Make sure ID are accurate. Small typos break the link. Finish by posting the link where it will be seen. Embed for formatted Markdown links, normal chat for raw URLs, or a bot message for automated linking. Immediately test the link with another account or a friend to confirm it resolves and permissions allow access. If it fails, make sure channel visibility and message permissions aren't blocking viewers. Verify you copied ID correctly, and ensure bots have embed links permission when using embeds. One quick check often fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.